Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the TJR Auto channel. My name is Tyler, and as you can tell, you're sitting behind a steering wheel. Well, if you watched my last video, you know that I resurrected the GTO. I fixed its, common key issue. So I filmed that video yesterday, right? I didn't even release it yet as I'm filming this because I just made, I just filmed that. So I took the car out last night to blow some steam off and just, was hot lapping Mexico and having some fun. Car was phenomenal. Now, when I go to start the car, tell me what doesn't sound right. Tell me what doesn't sound right. That's 3,500 RPM idle. I hate this car. I'm hoping it's the IAC, but I don't know. So let's get into it. Also, I've replaced the TPS, I think, twice on this car so far. Alright guys, so as I said, I think after my literally maybe a 5-minute search online, it seems like it could be the idle air control, which this is this right here, the IAC. So funny enough, right below this is the TPS, which I've had to replace twice so far. So technically, 2 have gone bad in this car. The original one I pulled out, I don't remember what the part number is. I probably have a picture of it somewhere. And then the second one was a car request one that I threw in a pinch because the car would not idle under like 2,000 and it was overheating in traffic. So I just replaced this maybe a week or 2 ago with a AC Delco part, and it so far has showed no signs of problems. Like I said, here is the IAC. I don't know what brand this is, or what? Let's see. It was made in Mexico, so I don't know if it's good or bad. I don't really know what I'm looking at, but as far as I know, basically this plunger moves in and out, and it lets air, it's like an air bypass, basically. So I read somebody's was stuck open and their car would not go under 3,000 RPMs, which is basically what mine is doing. So there's a good chance that this thing is just shit, or it's gummed up, or there could be a problem in the harness. I don't know. But first things first, when I went to pull this out, it has 2 very small T20 torque spit heads. So shout out to my shitty little torque spits that I had to buy when I did the TPS on the side of the road, or in an AutoZone parking lot. Yeah, it's same thing. And of course, when this thing's in place, it is just a pain in the ass to get to the back screw. It's just always how it is. But now we have it out, and while I still have power connected and whatnot to the car, I'm going to just turn the key. I'm not going to start the car, but I'm going to turn the key on and see if this thing moves at all. I'm pretty sure it is supposed to move, and we're going to see what happens, I guess, right now. So I'm going to go turn the power on with the key, and we're going to see what happens. I almost just dropped something very big and important. So if it moves, I want you to tell me that it moves. Power on. Doesn't, I don't think it moved. Oh, it does. Oh, that's power off. All right, so I just got back from my horrible run to the parts store, and the car is running very good. So I did get a new IAC, and this little piece of shit was $140, which is bullshit. And this is actually for an 02 Silverado. I believe it's actually the same part number as the GTO, but I was hoping that the truck one would be cheaper, but it's not. So I replaced that, and it actually has like a metal nipple that moves in and out. So I don't know, maybe the seat's better. Let's see what happens. Alright, so at least, oh my god, shut up. Alright, so at least we can confirm that the IAC was bad. So here's the part number. We'll see if this lasts, but at least now she runs. I should probably take my seatbelt off. Oh my god, I'm gonna break a I'm gonna break a hip.
No seatbelts.
Oh baby. Okay.
Oh dude, I'm already getting mic.
Yes.
Mic gotta send it, dude. Now I'm nervous.
Oh god.
Yeah, forward not ideal.
This,
time. Oh, there it goes.
Should I put my? I'm gonna put my window up.
Now look down. Oh, actually, that's up to you.
I don't even care.
That's nervous.
Oh
yeah, that's mud. Oh, we're not in we're still in Tool Drive. We're chilling.
Oh.
Park reverse neutral. Yeah, I don't think 4 high works. I don't know what that means. Actually, is that tire spinning?
No. All right, so Alex is locking the hubs. How do you do? I can do it. Oh, okay. All right. Just a casual Thursday night. Oh, those are all thorns. Yeah. Oh wow, that was actually pretty smooth. That's a nice ass. Oh no. We don't talk about these things here, all right?
Dude, I was like, why is it not going at 4? It's in 4. Well, we're in 4 now, so that's good.
Are we?
Well,
I hope so. I was gonna put my phone out the window, but I ain't doing that shit. Oh, yeah. Dude, butter. Oh, okay, well that was easy. We're going. That was easy. Okay, great.
Right?
I guess
Can't
so.
be that deep.
I'm not gonna comment.
Fuck.
Oh, dude, sturdy.
Oh, dude,
I was like, nothing.
What the fuck are we scared about? We're going back.
Huh?
Okay. I ain't pussyfooting the left side now.
Oh, God. Jesus. Oh, I forgot your dash pad moves.
I felt the floor move.
I want to see the ruts, you fuck.
Oh, yeah, it probably is a lot sketchier now.
Nah, it's men. Oh, dude, you really...
I think I just washed it. Well, I did a shit ass job washing it.
Dude, it was honestly kind of dirty still.
Well, my washing, I just power washed it. I didn't do shit.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Well,
alright, cool. Let's forget.
LS Square is mint.
I think. Yeah, that should do it.
Oh.
I'm off the hubs.
Oh, okay. Alright, well.
Oh, dude, it like cleaned itself.
Really?
Also, you want to know how? Oh, this one's funny. Oh, you didn't spin it.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Not bad. Tell me about your LS Swap Square. This is a perfect place.
Well, why don't I show you about the LS Swap Square?
It's very scenic here. You know, the little puddle in the back,
True.
power lines.
Feels like we know what we're doing.
Dude, I think we're professionals now.
Oh, dude, isn't it? See this?
Runs like a top.
Top. You know, can't go wrong with stock 5.3 engine. Stick a stock 5.3 in it, pretty much factory truck. Stick a 4L80 behind it, factory transmission cross member, NP208 transfer case from another factory square. Can't go wrong. It's all factory components.
Looks pretty stout to me.
And my transmission's not boiling.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's nice. Oh. Well, she looks good.
Oh, yeah.
She runs good. It's good when you lock the hubs.
Yeah, it's good when it locks hubs.
I dig it.
Yeah, I didn't expect that to happen.
Yeah, I didn't know. I thought we were just doing a fucking pavement, you know, a little test ride on the pavement around the block.
That's what I planned on, and then I was like, oh, there's dirt there, let's do that.
Well, I guess the throttle body swap from the Firebird did it. Gotta love a good old 5.3 intake. Well, throttle body, same shit.